Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring Bybit, one of the top crypto trading platforms. Let's break it down and see what it has to offer. Bybit is a crypto exchange with over 60 million users worldwide. Launched in 2018, it focuses on making trading easy, secure, and transparent. Bybit provides tools for both beginners and experienced traders to trade efficiently. Bybit offers some great perks. You can trade with up to 100x leverage, which is perfect for those looking to maximize their positions. The platform also provides plenty of educational materials to help traders improve their skills. With low fees and a helpful support team, it's designed to make trading smooth and accessible. Bybit has limited spot trading options, which may not suit all traders. High leverage derivatives trading comes with significant risks. The platform is unavailable in the US and several other regions, including the United States, Quebec, and Ontario, Canada, Singapore, Cuba, Iran, Sudan, mainland China, and some others. It is designed more for advanced traders. Beginners might find it challenging to navigate. Bybit comes packed with features designed to make trading easier and more rewarding. Mobile app. Bybit's mobile app, available on Android and iOS, gives you full access to the platform so you can trade anytime, anywhere. It's smooth, user-friendly, and just as powerful as the desktop version. Copy trading. With copy trading, you can automatically follow top-performing traders and learn from their strategies. Perfect for beginners or anyone who prefers a hands-off approach. Trading bots. Bybit offers AI-powered trading bots to help automate your trades. You can use preset bots or create your own custom strategies to maximize profits. TradeGPT. TradeGPT is an AI tool on Bybit that offers real-time market analysis and personalized insights, helping traders make informed decisions. While it simplifies trading, remember that its suggestions may not always be fully reliable. Bybit Earn. Bybit Earn offers multiple ways to grow your crypto, whether you prefer low-risk savings or high-yield opportunities. With flexible options for staking, liquidity mining, and structured products, you can earn passive income while managing your assets your way. Bybit Reward Hub. Bybit's Reward Hub lets users earn bonuses for completing tasks and joining promotions. It's an easy way to get extra perks just for being an active trader. Bybit's trading fees depend on the type of trade and your VIP level. Fees apply to spot trading, derivatives, and options, but you can lower them by moving up in the VIP program, which ranges from VIP 0, regular users, to Pro 6, high-volume traders. For spot trading, the standard fee for non-VIP users is 0.10% for both makers and takers. As you climb the VIP levels, fees get lower for both makers and takers. If you want the latest fee rates, check the My Fee Rate page on Bybit after completing identity verification. Creating an account is quick and easy. Just go to bybit.com, click sign up in the top right corner, and register using your email or mobile number. After entering your details, set a strong password, then click create account. You will receive a verification code. Enter it, and you are good to go. There are 4 ways to deposit funds and start buying crypto on Bybit: crypto deposits, one-click buy, fiat deposits, and P2P trading. P2P trading lets you buy and sell crypto directly with other users at agreed prices with no fees. Just go to P2P trading, select an offer, and complete the transaction. One click. Buy allows you to purchase crypto instantly using a bank card, third-party service, or fiat balance. Although this option usually implies higher fees, so be careful. With fiat deposits, you can add money to your account directly and use it to buy crypto later. After completing the transfer, your funds will be available in your funding account. With crypto deposits, you can transfer funds from an external wallet or another exchange to Bybit. Ensure you use the correct network and deposit tag to avoid losing funds. Bybit prioritizes the security of user assets with a range of protective measures. It encourages two-factor authentication, requiring a second verification code to prevent unauthorized access. Even if a password is compromised, users can also activate a withdrawal whitelist, restricting withdrawals to pre-approved wallet addresses. Additionally, Bybit offers a fund password, which is used during withdrawals, trading, and other scenarios to conduct security verification. To prevent phishing, Bybit provides an anti-phishing code that users can set up. Once activated, this code will appear in all official Bybit emails to help identify and avoid phishing attempts. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat, email, and a detailed FAQ section. We hope this helped. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more crypto-related videos. Catch you in the next one.